You up there. Have you seen Rask?
What?
Have you seen Rask?
No.
I'm missing my partner. Have you seen him?
What's he look like?
He's tall. He's got a beard.
No cameras, sir. No cameras.
I need to find my partner. He's been missing. Today's our film day.
I'm just...
Wait, what day is it, sir? What day is it?
What day is it? I left my phone at home. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I think it's Thursday, Friday.
Friday? Shit.
Why?
It's not even our film day today.
Oh my God! Look at that. We got the Vomitable Snowman.
I found him.
He found me. I didn't know he was looking for me, but he found me.
It's been a journey.